and welcome back to my channel. Or if it's your first time here, hello, my name is Laurel. I'm your resident weirdo. Welcome to the show. In today's video, I have the new Jeffree Star mystery box. Today, we're going to unbox it together, see what's inside, and you guys can pretty much bet on it. Within the next 2 weeks, I'll be doing a giveaway, and for sure, some of the contents inside here will be going into that giveaway. So if you are ready to have a fabulous time, please go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe, and friendos, just stay tuned. So you guys know I was not going to miss out on this new spring mystery box. My last video, Miss Shannon, Carol, and I did our own mystery boxes because we thought these were not coming. Well, better late than never. Let's see what's inside. I thought you cut the tape. Nope. Then what is this? I'm scared. It got me! I'm sorry, dupes. It's just a joke. Nothing got me. Another one. Well, we can switch it out. This one feels different from my last little pink one. My last little pink one was kind of velvety. This just feels kind of like a polyester blend. And as fate would have it. We'll see it to the box. What do you guys think? Alrighty, let's see. I think I feel something good. I knew I felt something good. You guys, I'm so excited for this. Not for me, but for you. So this is the eyegloss powder. This is my absolute favorite item from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is in the shade Voodoo Glass, one of my absolute favorites. Guess what? It's on my eyes right now. It's the shade right in there. So I'm ecstatic. This is gonna go in a giveaway, and I hope this brings joy to someone the way it has brought me joy. All right, moving on. Ooh, okay, so we have a single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Mohawk. Do I have this? Is this in the Weirdo palette? I'll have to look this up to see if I already own it. If I do, it's going in the giveaway. Ooh, next up we have the Velvet Trap Red Affair. Now I'm pretty sure I got this in my last giveaway. The Velvet Trap lipsticks are nice. I wouldn't say that they're my favorite formulation of all time, but again, they're nice. All right, I know I own this. This is 1985. 90% sure this is in the Weirdo palette. It's going in the giveaway. This one is a very dark gray, almost purple gradient eyeshadow. And if you've never tried his matte formulations, they blend like a dream. Okay, so another one, Owl Eyes. I don't remember this one. Looks really pretty though. It's got a golden sheen. So I'm not going to be unboxing all of these simply because I don't want a chance messing them up if it's going to end up in a giveaway. Only Child, also from Weirdo. Ooh, you guys, I got a liquid blush. This is in the shade Peach Escape. Now I'm definitely keeping this for myself, and this is one that I don't have, but you guys, you got to try these. These are so magically pigmented and they blend out like a dream. All right, next item, we have the Supreme Gloss. This is More Than Friends. Ooh, I'm not sure what shade this is. This one is purple. I know I've gotten this before, right? We have this somewhere. I'm 90% sure. All right, this one's going in a giveaway, you guys. Anyway, someone will be given the chance to win this one. An ink pen. I think it's a pen. So it looks like maybe that hooks onto your notebook or something. Have you guys seen pens like this? Either way, I'm always losing my pens and I'm always writing things down in notebooks. So this will be something I keep for sure. What do you guys think is next? Put your answer in the comment section down below. Type fast, because it's here. We have Watermelon Soda, again in the Supreme Gloss. Now I think I have this one already. The gloss. The gloss. So I have a shade that's very similar to this. Yeah, it's right here. It's right here. This is what I thought I had. But this is Fatality. They're very close. Fatality. I'll probably give this away because I already have one very similar, and to be honest, I don't wear lip gloss that often. Y'all, I'm really starting to wonder, is there a palette in here? We've got to be getting closer to the end because this box was only $85. I can't imagine there being much more in here. We have a Skin Frost palette. So this is the highlighting blush. Ooh, I want to be careful with this. I'm not going to swatch this. Skin frost, highlights and stuff. That's just not my thing, you guys. But I know a lot of you live, breathe, you die for this formulation. So this one's called Cotton Candy Crime. It looks really effing cool. If I was into blush lights, if I was into highlights, I would be keeping this, but I'd rather someone enjoy it more than I know I would. Okay. Filling a few more loose odds and ends. I think we have another single eyeshadow. We do. We have an open range. This is probably from the, is it Wyoming palette?
Star Ranch.
Star Ranch.
Star Ranch.
Star Ranch. I own the palette, so that's going in the giveaway. Now we have the lip balm, and this one is called Blue Balls. Ooh. Check out this really cool gradient packaging. I'm feeling the blue to pink shift. Oh my gosh, this looks cool. Ooh.
Delightful!
We have a mini mirror. So this is great to go on someone's keychain, but not mine because I will surely break it. And honestly, I don't think I could deal with any more bad luck than what I already have. Pretty sure I'm up to like 21 years of bad luck at this point. It certainly feels that way. All right, moving on. All right, I think this is gonna be the last item. Are you guys ready? Prepare yourselves. All right, so we have this kind of creepy looking mirror. Y'all, I love cats. I have 2 cats in here with me right now. This is just not for me, and I don't really collect the mirrors. So yeah, I think it's giveaway time for this one. I thought that was the last item. I think I feel some more things though. So we also have the shade Weirdo from the Weirdo palette. And what is this? Another gloss. Let me be perfectly clear. Okay, so this is gonna be a clear one. I already own this. Just so y'all can see, it is clear. I'm not gonna ruin the box by taking it out any further. It's going in the giveaway. A lot of giveaway items here today, you guys. I hope you all are excited for these. Sadly, I didn't get a palette. That's a little bit disappointing. This is the first time I've ever gotten a mystery box where there was no palette inside. So, what are my thoughts on this box? I think that this one, for me, was a little bit underwhelming just simply because there wasn't a palette. Like, I don't know. I feel like that's disappointing. Although I will say, I feel like overall it was a good value. We got lots of single eyeshadows in here. Again, I am not organized enough to actually keep up with single eyeshadows, so those will be going in a giveaway. There's lots and lots of things that I'm sure other people will enjoy who don't have the massive Jeffree Star collection that I do. So I'm looking forward to bringing some joy to someone else's life with these items. The most exciting thing that I have to give away has to be Voodoo Gloss. Y'all, these eyegloss powders are not to be slept on. If you know, you know. There's no better way to get that liquid look on your eyes. Doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel cakey. It takes a very long time to crease, and I don't experience a lot of fallout with these. So you definitely want to check these out. So Friendos, please don't hold back. Let me know what you think of this mystery box. Let me know what you got in yours if you've gotten yours already. Oh, there's another item, apparently. How did I not see this? Yeah, I feel like there might have been some sort of hazard at the warehouse. What on earth? How did this get in a box? What do? Do I send it back? So I want to thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. I definitely enjoyed spending my time here with you all today. Let me know what you thought of this box. Let me know what was in your box. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Don't forget to give this video a like if you had a good time, or if you just pity me, I'll take it either way. Subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. All right, guys, have a fabulous day. Bye.